Namaskara, my divine family, and welcome to Panchaport, a weekly reading which will help you define and navigate through this week in 5 areas of your life: spirituality, finance, business and work, your personal relationships, and your personal health. Hi, I'm Shweta, and I'm a Moksha trainer and expert. And today, I bring to you this beautiful program created by the eternal learners of transcending beliefs.
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa, your Mokshpata expert and guide, here to support you through the Purge Portal program from July 28th to August 3rd, 2025. Let us seek guidance from the Mokshpata board regarding health. This week, the board wants us to focus on all 3 areas of health: physical, mental and emotional. This is a powerful time to take charge of your well-being. Let go of unhealthy habits, negative emotions and unnecessary thoughts. It's time to declutter both your physical surroundings and your mental space. To make room for clarity, balance and healing, be mindful in your daily routine. Make space for good habits and emotional care. You may find negative emotions trying to take over during this period, but awareness is your strength. Stay conscious, stay present and choose what supports your health. Nourish your body with care, your mind with peace and your spirit with positivity. Let each day be a gentle reminder that you are in charge of your inner world. Healing begins with small steps. Choose them with love and intentions. This is your time to reset, renew and rise your wellness journey. Adopt what uplifts you, release what harms you. With love and light, wishing you a healthy, peaceful and mindful week ahead. Thank you.
So we are doing Moksha reading for relationships from July 28th to August 3rd. This week, the Moksha highlights an important theme in your relationships: the need for boundaries, balance and emotional honesty. You may find yourself feeling stressed, overwhelmed or emotionally drained. Often, this stems from the inability to set clear boundaries, trying to do it all, take it all or fix it all. And when that pressure builds, it can lead to stress, burnout, resentment, even anger. The sense of being not good enough or urge to control situations may surface. On the flip side, there could be growing disconnect, a lack of intimacy, unclear communication, or indecisiveness that creates distance in close bonds. This week, you are being called to pause and rebalance, to reflect. Are you expressing your needs clearly? Are you allowing space for your partner's voice and your own? Healthy relationships are not built on control or emotional suppression. They thrive on collaboration, empathy, and emotional intelligence. So start by setting small, clear goals in your connections. Honest conversations, shared responsibilities, quality time. These tangible steps foster deeper trust and understanding. Above all, give yourself and others the space to be human, imperfect, but real. This week, shift from emotional chaos to emotional clarity, from control to connection, from silence to sincerity. Let your relationships be a space where both strength and vulnerability are welcome. That is where love truly grows.
We're now halfway through this week's weekly reading. And before we move on, let me tell you one little secret about Moksha. If you've ever wished for a friend or a guide in your life who will always guide you on the right track to success, prosperity, spirituality and growth, then Moksha will be that friend for you. Now, let's move ahead and watch the rest of the reading.
Namaste. A warm welcome to all beautiful people who eagerly await the cosmic guidance of the Mokshpata board every week. I am Shashi Sethi, your devoted Mokshpata reader and trainer, bringing for you the guidance for the week of 28 July to 3rd August 2025 in regard to spirituality. The reading for this week comes on a positive box of Dharma, which provides a sense of purpose, direction, and fulfillment in daily actions, and establishes harmony by aligning our actions with the universal laws. In this time, we should reflect on personal beliefs and values and incorporate meditation and mindfulness in our daily lives. We can spend time in nature also and practice acts of kindness and service to others. Now is the time to recognize any unethical actions and seek clarity on the path to rectification and correction of any wrongdoing. The board suggests practicing selfless service whenever possible, but ensuring self-care too. You can volunteer for causes aligned with your beliefs and also dedicate time for self-reflection. Now is the time to engage with spiritual communities and explore spiritual practices. In this week, there could be bias and prejudice also, which can hinder your spiritual journey. So cultivate a neutral mindset for spiritual growth and practice so that spiritual energies can be balanced. Signing off, this is Shashi Sethi. Stay tuned for more updates in the coming weeks.
Namaste dear friends, I'm Shilpa Shah and today I'm here to talk about the guidance from Mokshapath on business and profession for July 24th to 3rd August for the year 2025. For this week, board's guidance is as Earth teaches us valuable lessons about stability, patience and resilience. Just like the Earth nurtures life, our work, whether in business or in profession, can serve as foundation for growth, both for ourselves and for others. By applying these attributes to our work, we will be able to build a long-term vision grounded in integrity and purpose. The Earth's attribute of stability reminds us to establish strong foundation, that is trust, transparency and consistency in the field of work. Further, the board is suggesting us to be patient and allow things to grow naturally, knowing that the best results take time. Just as the earth endures seasons of changes, we too must embrace adaptability and resilience, as earth's nurturing energy encourages us to provide support and care not just for ourselves but for the community as well. Strive to serve like the soil that enriches every seed. Our business and professional life should be a source of nourishment, helping others to grow and succeed. By doing so, we can create a lasting impact not just in our career but to the world around us too. That is all for this week from board. Thank you. Take good care.
Namaste. Guidance on finance for the week 28th July to 3rd August 2025 from the Mokshapath Board. According to the Mokshapath Board, your financial energies seem a little disbalanced this week. You are probably leaning towards being financially selfish towards those less fortunate than you. You therefore need to inculcate a sense of nurturance and give back to society. Those looking to enhance their financial growth and stability, the Mokshapath advises you to adapt flexible financial strategies. Let go of your past grudges and financial bad experiences. Don't let that dictate your future financial decisions. Let go of your past burdens and embrace the future with a lot of positive energy. Another important aspect is to ensure that you have complete knowledge and thorough research before taking any financial decisions and before any financial investments. A very, very important and crucial aspect apart from all of this is taking action. All your research, your intelligence is worthless if you do not take the right action at the right time. You need to ensure that you align your positive intelligence with your positive action at the right time in order to ensure your financial growth. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more from the Punch Portal series. Light and Energy, Sonal Kapadia, your Mokshpat advisor and trainer.
That is all for this week. And I hope that this week's reading helps you create a week full of excitement, success, and growth. For more such videos and information, follow and subscribe our channel. And if you have a problem in your life, don't forget to DM us. I will definitely wait for your query and revert back to you. Thank you and see you all next week once again.